The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, formerly known as food stamps, is monthly money for food for Massachusetts residents. After you apply, you'll get a SNAP EBT card in the mail, which can be used like a debit card for food shopping. SNAP gives you the freedom to shop for your own food that you like, that meets your dietary needs, allergy restrictions, and cultural preferences. You can buy food at most grocery, corner stores, and farmers markets, and buy food online at select stores for pickup or delivery. Even if you're not a U.S. citizen or an eligible immigrant, you can still apply to get SNAP for an eligible family member, like your U.S. citizen child. Using SNAP does not impact you or your kid's immigration status. It is safe to use SNAP. The amount of SNAP you will get is based on who you buy and make most of your meals with. You need to apply with certain family members who live with you, like your spouse or children under age 22. SNAP. It's money for food every month. Learn more by visiting the DTA website or calling us directly.